Now let's go and publish our site so we can test it out on a live site right here. So I'm just going to click here on publish right here and click publish to go live with it. And now we have our view site right here. So click here on view site. And now this is our site live. And as you can see, since we only have the free plan, there is a Wix branding in here, which is really unprofessional if you would do this for real, because it would not give you the credibility that you'd want. So in here, let's try and check out some products. For example, this one's right here. So I'm going to click on this product, and I will now be taken into this product page with the product images and a description. And then I can go back into home. Actually, I'm going to order the first product that we have. And then as you can see, we now have the color variants right here. And then what name would you like to be engraved in the ring, just as we have said earlier. And then I'm going to go for Kyle. And then the quantity, the price. And then as you can see, the price would also differ on the variant. And then now let's go here and buy now. And let's see on the checkout process. So as you can see right here, it says we can accept online orders right now. Please contact us to complete your purchase. That is because we haven't set up our payment method just like we did earlier. So I didn't complete that yet because this is only in the free plan. That is why I recommended that you set up your payment method first and get a plan so that it would enable you to add your preferred payment method. And then with that, you won't have to worry anymore about not getting your checkout page available here on your site. So yeah, that's it. We have now a functional e-commerce store right here as long as you have that paid plan. So make sure to use the link in the description if you would like to do that.